What do you call a disabled guy called Gerald?
Gerald.
Okay, I got another one. What do you call a disabled guy called Christopher?
Nah, ain't no way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. Can I still do my act, please?
You won, they're laughing.
I can do it?
You won.
Okay, I won. I laugh because he laughed. He laughed.
This is movement, bro.
Nah, you know what? He's eligible to get in the car, man. That was fantastic. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Just 1 second, guys.
Okay.
No, go. What do you call? I'm sorry. Get in there. I'm so sorry. Yes. I was so locked in. What is he doing?
Do you have a shovel in your back pocket? Because I'm digging that ass.
Yes. Come on. Yes.
I'm not even like, Steve. That's you, man. Steve, you did that.